Welcome, so today I am with AirPods Pro and the Apple Watch Series 3, and I'm gonna show you how to manage your noise cancelling option on your AirPods Pro with the Apple Watch Series 3. So for the first, just pick your Apple Watch and unlock him. Okay, and right now we have to connect the AirPods to the Apple Watch. Okay, and right now they are connected, so just swipe with your finger and scroll down, click here, and as you can see, now we have to connect them, and there is the option, the noise cancelling and the transparency. So if you just want to turn on the noise cancelling, just click here, or if you just want to listen what is going on outside, because for example you are running right now, just click the transparency. And yeah, this is how it looks on the AirPods Pro and the Apple Watch Series 3. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.